Oh yeah. We're back. Nice collaboration with Valor. Hey, thanks, man. Yeah, I flew out there just to see the boy. Thomas, Nicholas. Hey, dude. Welcome, welcome. I'm back. Pretty cool for the time. We're back. I've been streaming in a private stream past 2 weeks, boys. Mm-hmm. 5 minutes, eh? We'll start in 5 minutes. Thomas, doing well, man. Doing very well. My trading has been unbelievable. Unbelievable. Man, drive me crazy. Go on, bud. No, I don't want to cuddle. Go on. Dad's back. How's the feet? Oh yeah, man. That's crazy. Yeah. My feet turned into fucking balloons, eh? From that trip. We're doing well. I had to take I slept for like an entire week. I wouldn't even be able to stream, hey? Can you guys hear the music? Balloons, eh? From that trip. No, you can't, eh? Okay. There we go. There you can. Now, yeah. Now you can. Meow. Hey, bud. What is your problem lately? You just can't get enough playing and cuddles. Go away. Yeah, boys. I'm starting a new service because of this giveaway, guys. It went so well. Didn't look today. I didn't look today, but the market's still weird. Markets have been very, very sideways this week, but I think we're coming out of it, so it's a good time to stream. Good time to talk about it. We will talk about it in a second. It's good to have a few people actually joining in around this time. I might be doing some streams mid-London, because I've been awake sometimes mid-London now. Since I've been doing other streams, I've been doing private streams. Basically just going to be streaming my entire life, aren't I? What's up, Toastman? Are we ready to start here? 40 seconds, eh? Alright. Yeah. There's the face. It's been a while. Some clothes over on the side there. From fucking tanning outside naked, you know? Let's adjust the body here. Boom. Some cups on the side here from pre-workout. Was just at the gym. Let's turn down the music a little bit. Yeah, London is over. London is over, that's for sure. If I'm gonna stream, it's either gonna be now or it's gonna be mid-London. Hunt, man, yeah, the sell on EU is perfect. Yeah, so let's dive into it. Boys, we're back! Oh my god, it's so exciting. Bitcoin's going up. And we've been cranking the market. Mind you, this week by cranking the market, I mean I'm sitting on my hands waiting to crank the market because look at this. This has just been, look here, look at the higher time frame. How are you supposed to know where this is going to go? I mean, you could be like, okay, it's gone up, so it's probably going to go up again, right? But that's only a maybe, right? And so now we're really bearish. Oh baby, got above these tops and then just dumped down so hard. This morning I did actually try to take a short, a light risk short, just because I was trying to get in. I shorted right around here, and I got stopped out on this little wick out there. It was a light risk short. Mind you, today was even because we did take another short earlier today here. And it was because we had all of these tops here. And if you guys look at the higher time frame here. Georgie, shut up. You don't need me all the time. You're so fucking annoying. God, you're needier than a baby. Meow, meow, meow. Okay. Jesus, this looks way different than this morning. Okay, so we had multiple tops here, right? We were going above the tops. It really looked like this was going to dump down, right there. So we did actually take a short. We hit our take profit perfectly because we were targeting just these lows here. Let me turn down this fucking music here and let's put on some lo-fi. Cat man, come on, man. Yeah, so we didn't take this long, even though this was a great long setup, eh? Sweeping the lows. We targeted this low when we were taking our short. Something like this. I think it was like 3.5 hours. Oh, God, fuck off, cat, man. Why are you so annoying? I don't know, ever since I came back from Miami, he just won't leave me alone. We took something like this, right? I mean, that wasn't the trade. We entered lower. But it was like 3.5 hours. Something like that. And that was because we had these tops, and on the higher time frame, we also had some tops that we were kind of just getting slightly past and then reversing. It really looked like the 4 hour and the 1 hour was going to close bearishly, so we took some shorts here, right? That's why we were looking here. Look at the 1 hour. It was right around. I mean, it's kind of hard to show you guys looking at the past because you don't know what it looked like at that time, right? But it really looked like it was going to close the 1 hour below, right below, because you can see down here at the time, right at 5 o'clock, you know, 4:45, whatever, right? So, by the way, guys, I have been doing, remember that giveaway? I extended it for an extra week, and I've been streaming for these guys every session. That was a tradable session. And we've been cranking profits. First week, we made about 10R. This week, we're actually flat because there's nothing to do. So we're not really trading. We're basically flat. But it really looks like, you know, the last day here, we're going to be able to get a nice short in. This is what we're going to be looking for, just so you know, guys. Coming into the Asia session, it's going to be pretty clear that we're looking for shorts here after we're seeing kind of that. Also testing some action with UJ. We had a short on UJ here. We didn't actually take it, but I'm actually looking into UJ, seeing how it functions, because it might be a really good Asia pair to actually trade on the very open. And we were looking at a short there yesterday that we would have actually made profit on, but that's just another point. That's not really required to tell you though. Right. What are we saying here? Cat is gay. Yeah, dude, he's fucking annoying. I was trading one lot for $30, so sideways, yeah. How many figures is your personal account? It's like 3 or 4 action figures worth. I'll let you determine which action figures. 3 or 4 action figures. You know. Questions like that are so stupid, dude. And I'll make fun of you for asking stupid questions, because that's how we roll here, man. If you do something dumb and it's offensive, then I'm just gonna offend you back, okay? Right? Like people don't want to be asked that question. It doesn't make any sense. Like what good does it do for you? I could be like, oh yeah, it's like 6 figures, right? And then you'd be like, wow, oh my god, that's a big number, right? Or I could be like, you know, it's like 4 figures, and be like, okay, well, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. It doesn't matter what I say. It's not going to change what I know, right? I could say 4, I could say 5, I could say 6. I'm probably not going to say 3. Probably not going to say 7. Dumbass question. Yeah, these guys making fun of you too. So by the way, guys, if you want me to look at a trade, remember, send me the link, send me the code, we can look at it. You're up 47 pips on UJ. God, Cat, he's just like, you take some of my ecstasy or something like that.
Just kidding, I don't have any ecstasy, I ate it all.
Meh. Okay. Don't do drugs, kids. Right, you'll end up like me. Haha, a profitable trader. Ha ha ha. Okay. Okay, what the fuck are we doing here? So yeah, so the live thing, I decided we're actually gonna do this. It's only gonna be $33, and I'm only letting 25 people in. I'm only telling you guys now because you're on the live stream. And the people who already are in the group have first dibs, and then I'm gonna actually start announcing it to Instagram and stuff like that. Only letting 25 people in. 25 total. That's it. And it's gonna be the same thing, live streaming every session. You're gonna see every trade, right? You can kind of see, I'm just kind of advertising for you guys right now. The trade log for the previous week here, like first week 9.6R, all the trades, 6 trades. This week we're basically flat. Midweek we're still flat. All right, I'm not going to be writing down all the trades throughout though, but that's it. Yeah, you can go on here at HunterFX live.co.live if you wanted to get that. Only letting 25 people in. Okay. Congratulations to El Salvador. Yeah, first country accepting Bitcoin. That's awesome. I don't think it has anything to do with the price movements. The price movement, we actually bought Bitcoin right. It's fucking shit. Right here on this low, because we're just basically range trading here at this lows, right? I'm still a bull long term, so I'm not selling. Do I trade crypto? I positional trade crypto. I'm not selling shit until we hit my targets, and my targets were 80K, right? I'm not selling anything until we get right around 80K, right? Maybe like 76, something like that. I don't know. My high-end target was 140K, right? So that was my goal, and I'm not selling anything until there. I will continue to buy on dips, right? So I bought more, bought another like freaking 4 grand, 5 grand, something like that, right on this low. And we'll just let it run, right? I'm seeing crypto as 2 possibilities here, right? Possibility number 1 is this was the absolute bottom, right? And we've already bottomed, and it's going to just kind of V out and do one of these rocky climb things, right? Where it just slowly climbs up and everyone thinks it's going to reject, but it just continues to go up, right? It does that shit all the time. Like after a massive drop, you know, something like this basically, right? Massive drop, slowly rocky climb all the way up, right? The other option, BLX here, logarithmic. So we're basically comparing it to this massive drop back here in 2013. It's a bit different because we didn't have this spike. So we can cross out, we can exclude this portion, right? And just say that basically, because there was less hype in the market, basically it did this, right? And it looks very similar if we actually use this tool, right? I believe. I believe it looks similar. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know how to fucking move this thing. I don't know how to do this. Dang it. Okay. Well, we're gonna do it like this, right? It kind of looks similar coming up without that. So if it just kind of curves down, and then it has that one major drop there, and then another drop there. Shoot. Let's just go back here. So the potential is, you know, let's say, I think it's already bottomed, or it could go for a slight another drop. So let's say that this was kind of the drop there, the original drop. That's a 40%. This was the next drop, 50%, right? So I think we've already bottomed, and this was the second drop. But it could go for another like little wick down, right? And I'm just saying that as a possibility, right? So this is the first kind of drop here, and second drop. I think it's just kind of looking similar, right? Maybe it's not perfect. It's just my opinion. Right? We're back in this demand area, right? Weekly demand. It really looks like this is going to be the level. We could, what I'm saying is, if there's another drop, we have all these equal lows, we could just hunt those lows and go for an absolute low of like 26k, right? It's not going to go lower than that, guys. I think it's near impossible. There's never been drops like this before, except for that 170% drop, and that was only because massive hype, right? A 70% drop would mean we're going down to 20k, and 20k is absolutely ridiculous, I think. So it's not gonna go to 20k. And literally somebody says it's going to 20k. This is exactly why I'm saying it's not going to 20k. It's literally everyone's targeting like super low targets now. Just buy in here. It's already fucking dropped like 50%, right? If you're looking for that extra 20%, you're going to be sadly mistaken. If you're just looking for like a little bit more, right? Just fucking buy in and wait. You don't have to be so greedy, right? What do you think of Astro FX? I think everyone sucks. Including Astro FX. I've been trading OTE. I don't know. Optimal trade entry. Is that an ICT thing? It sounds like an ICT thing. You mind giving me an opinion on this? Let's look. Let's see if we can freaking... Was that link gonna work? I don't know how to fucking do these links anymore, dude. I don't know how to do these links anymore. They confuse me now. You know, what's next? Will another country follow? Yeah, Did you see Sean exposing everyone? Sean? Who's Sean? This is a PNG file? I don't think this is gonna work, dude. No. We're gonna see when it goes to 20k. Bitcoin doesn't bottom out. Odd numbers strictly flat. It would never be I mean, that your logic makes absolutely no sense to think that it would never be 26k. I mean, you've just completely discredited yourself by saying a statement like that. But anyways, personally, I think this was the bottom, and I've been saying that since up here. I've been saying the bottom is going to be between this range, right? 41 and 30, right? This is what I personally have been saying since 60K, right? I said it's going to come down between 40 and 30K, right? This is a bit lower than I thought it was going to go because I didn't think it would go all the way like that. But I had prepared so I didn't get liquidated, right, in that event, right? So I prepared to hit 25K to not get liquidated, and I'm fine. So personally, I think this was the bottom. This is giving us even more conviction that it is the bottom based off of the buying from today. Like, this is a fucking amazing rally after sweeping those lows. This looks very, very stereotypical of a bottom, right? Or at least a relief rally back up to 50 and then one last quick swing, right? So that's the two possibilities in my mind. I've seen this shit a million times before, so. Sean Lee fucking exposed everyone. How do you spell this? Sean Lee YouTube. YouTube. Oh, look who's streaming. Sean Lee. I can't watch anything, but I don't know how to spell it. Did I spell it right? Oh, is it Astra FX? Who gives a shit? Anyways. Okay, is Investopedia a good place to start learning Forex? I think they teach you like basics, eh? He exposes them on the Instagram story days ago. Who did he expose? What did he say? I'm curious. Yeah. If we don't, you say if we don't break 3680. Yeah, I mean, like, you guys say like a lot of shit like this. Like crypto traders talk like that all the time. If we don't do this, then we're going to this. Like, crypto traders, man, you guys don't know shit. I'm gonna just tell you that now. Like, crypto traders are always like trying to fucking predict everything to like a T. Like, okay, it has to get to this level. If it doesn't get that level, then it's not going to do this. And obviously, right? Like, if it doesn't hit 5K, it's not going to hit 10K, right? This is how fucking numbers go up, right? And they're trying to sound like it actually matters, but in reality, the only thing that you're looking for is momentum and stopping people out. That's all that matters, right? We don't care about numbers. We just watch the momentum and we watch the stop hunts, right? This is all that matters in trading. We don't need to be like, okay, this is a number of significance. No, it doesn't really matter. It could stop anywhere, right? It could stop here. It could stop here. It could stop here. So basically you're saying, okay, if it breaks 636, then it's going to 37. If it breaks 37, it's going to 38, right? Crypto traders talk like this all the time, like they're trying to sound smart. Like they know what they're doing. But reality is none of you guys know anything if you're a crypto trader. Like, crypto traders are dumb, man. I mean, like, not in like an insulting way, but like, you don't know how to trade is what I'm saying as a crypto trader. And so you should just be an investor in my eyes, right? Your videos are for advanced traders, right? Yeah, kind of. I break things down in a very like quick manner. Sean Lee went mad. Check Twitter. Every trader on YouTube. I mean, you can expose different traders and shit like that, right? I mean, it's kind of remarkable that people believe that, you know, I'm not making money when I literally live stream my trades, and we make fucking 10R in weeks, right? But what was the win rate of the institutional trading strategy I post on YouTube? No idea, dude. Anything I post on YouTube, I don't trade, so it's just as clear as that. Like, I won't tell you anything of value on YouTube other than like shit that you need to fucking figure out on your own, right? This channel's all about just like fucking being blunt cunt, right? Sean Lee is a crazy psychedelic addict. You can't be a psychedelic addict, man. People always hate. Yeah, totally, dude. This channel just tells you the fucking way it is, and a lot of people hate it, dude. That's all it is. They don't want to hear it. They want the fucking cushy, like, jackpot. You can make fucking millions by trading with the fucking Bollinger Bands. No, that's not how it works. You got to understand how everything works before you can make anything, right? That's how it actually works. Okay, so yeah, daily's gonna close out pretty fucking bare on this. I'm gonna be looking, just so you guys know, I'm gonna be looking for shorts tomorrow on EU. Like, this is pretty much guaranteed. There's no hope. There's no hope. But the only hope is like, okay, maybe we come back for a retest, and then maybe I'll look for a long on like a retest or something like that. Like maybe it'll do something like this. But we'll evaluate come Asia Open. Maybe do something like that, right? And then, you know, reject off of let's look here. Probably this guy here. This has been tested, I would assume. Kind of hard to judge that. We have a level here, right? Yeah, level there. Reject off of. No ICT exposed Sean Lee. Man, everyone exposes everyone else, and I'm so done with it. I'm so done with the YouTube drama. Like, it's just a bunch of children who don't know anything trying to pretend like they know something. Like, the market is fucking difficult, man. And you need years of experience in order to even start to understand it. And everyone's like trying to call each other out. Like, it's like politics, right? Where you're like trying to make the other team look bad so that you look worse. But the reality is you're both just shit. Would I trade off divergence? No, because I'm not a bad trader. But bad traders, it's probably a good idea to trade divergences until you get good. Divergences are decent. A decent way to kind of understand momentum shifts. Divergence is a good way to understand a momentum shift without actually looking at the price, right? So it's very easy for your mind to understand as a new trader. That's the benefit. Oh, dude, thanks for the whatever that. Welcome to custom chat. Ethics, nice, dude. Thank you, dude. I think that's like $1 or something like that. That's cool. Oh, he buys weird Chinese potions. Ah, that's funny, eh? Oh, well, whatever. If it makes them fucking smarter. ICT got exposed for copying Hunter FX, apparently? No, there's no chance, dude. Opinion on Daniel Savage? Daniel Savage is flashy and annoying. I don't like people who act like that, right? That's just my personal opinion. He could be a nice guy. He just seems like he has a lot of insecurities. That he has to like flex all this shit, right? And it's just like a classic insecure act. So I don't like people like that aren't real, aren't true to themselves, right? You know what I mean? Any advice for starting to learn Forex, like sources and resources? Yeah, there's You gotta kind of just figure it out on your own. Like there's a lot of stuff on my channel, there's a lot of stuff on other channels. You gotta be really like, you gotta filter through so much shit though, right? So you gotta be really careful. I'll tell you this right now, like what people teach you, 90% of it is useless. 90% of it's wrong, and it's gonna confuse you because come back when I have a Lambo. I could have bought a Lambo, but I think they're childish. I think Lambos are stupid, dude. And so instead I bought a grandpa car. Fucking Jags, right? So many old guys give me compliments. I love it. I don't like the fucking childlike Lambos and McLarens, Ferraris, things like that. They look like children's toys. So I didn't buy one. You look like a Super Saiyan. Hey, thanks, buddy. Opinion on Lambo Raul? I think he's the exact same as Daniel. They're just like flashy guys. And I don't like it. Oh, come on, yeah, you're joking. Sup, hey, Striker, what up, dude? I understand why YouTubers turn off their comments. Yeah, I have a lot of like keywords that I don't want in my comments, because there's just tons of people that just come in and they don't know anything and they just call shit, and then they call names and stuff. So I just turn off a lot of those like keywords so I don't have to see them, because like there's no point like somebody to come in here and like call you like an asshole or something like that, you know what I mean? I mean, well, for me to be called an asshole, that's fair enough, because I'm being a dick sometimes. What do I think of Nick Sean? You guys are gonna ask me what I think of all these different YouTubers, dude. Nick Sean, I think his strategy, unless he's winning 80% of the time, it's not really making money, because I think he has like a very low R with his trades. I don't watch any YouTubers really. I watch Mamba occasionally because like he buys cars and it's kind of funny. But that's it. Imager to look at the trade. Oh, is this a Imager? I don't know. You didn't send a link. You can't send links. Jag in a grandpa car. Yeah, it is. Jaguars. Grandpas love Jaguars. Mr. Streams. Yeah, it's good to be back, man. I'll be doing streams like not on a schedule anymore. It'll either be this time or mid-London. What do you think of Chick-fil-A? You guys are fucking with me, man. And it'll just be like whenever I feel like. When will it update my Forex course? I probably never will. I'm slowly working on a crypto course. Honestly, I told you guys this before. I'm very open about it. YouTube and courses and stuff I used to gain more income faster so that I could trade with more money, right? I've been very open about this. Once course sales don't make me much money anymore compared to how much I can make from trading, I will no longer be doing them. So I will not be writing another course. I'm done with it. I might do a crypto one, because crypto I can do kind of quickly. There's going to be a few people that buy it. It's not very complicated. I can do a quick course. But I've been very open with this. I made a lot of money from crypto. I've made some good money from YouTube, and I made some good money from trading. So I don't need to sell courses anymore. I was trying some people to run ads for me for a little bit, and they just didn't do what they were supposed to do. So I turned them off. And they lost money from me. So, yeah, I'm not even getting any sales for the courses and stuff anymore. So, do I trade crypto differently than Forex? Yes. Crypto is an investment. Forex is a day trading thing. The EU to come down to 213, eh? I think it's gonna hit this. It's gonna hit that low easily. There's a lot of momentum. Probably gonna see some resistance around here. right? But I think it's gonna ultimately come down here. Within this week, I think it'll come down here. How you do discounts? I don't know, if you want a discount on something, send me a DM in Discord, and I'll give you a discount on something. I don't give a shit, dude. Do I prefer Forex or crypto? Forex. Crypto's made me way more because it's peanuts. You sit in something for long enough, you make $1 million. Right? Like, fucking how crypto works, basically. Sit in Bitcoin for 10 years, you made $1 million. I mean, 10 years is the entire life of Bitcoin, but whatever. I think you gave the price too high for your course so nobody can afford it. Yep. That was the point. I didn't want anyone to afford it. I wanted it to be too high. Okay, GJ. We'll look at GJ. Yeah, sure. Bullish on the higher time frame. Bullish sweep on the lows. Closed. This is gonna come back up. Retest. Yeah. Lower time frame. Already tested. It's gonna come up here and then continue. You'll buy my course. It's pretty expensive, dude. How much time does it take to learn the market? But yeah, I mean, if you give 3 years of like dedicated working every single day trying to figure it out, you'll probably have a profitable strategy. I worked incredibly hard, made it my entire life, quit my job for it, and I'm doing very well with my trading. And I started in 2017. 2017, I started crypto trading. Forex trading in 2019. If you quit in 2 months, you'll just learn a lot of process. What's your confirmation after a liquidity sweep? What's confirmation for what? Like that it swept it? It's pretty... I don't know. It moves into an area where... Like, there's obviously stops here because there's multiple lows, right? It moved into that area and then came back up quickly, right? That's it. Hunt the stops, move back in. That's hunted liquidity, right? Look at NZD. Weekly. Four-hour sweep, trend down. This hunt not quite strong enough to bring us back up because we hunted that low, that high. We're ultimately targeting, we have multiple lows here, and would ultimately be targeting after we hunt those lows, a tap on this demand, and then continuation. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, man. Why is yeah, you don't have to use caps. Why is Forex better than the US stock market? Stocks are for bad traders. Stocks are so easy to trade. It just goes up, man. All you do is long. Stocks are so easy. Forex is the fucking skill. Like, if you can trade Forex, you can trade anything. Bitcoin's still rocketing. The one guy that said if we can get over 60 or 6.8 or whatever, he said. Oh, well, there you go. We got over 6.8. So next stop, 7-8. I don't know. Shout out to my 6-figure traders, soon to be 7-figure traders. Oh, fuck me, man. This is totally like a quarantine type thing, isn't it? Hello. Yeah, I'm just in the middle of something. Can you call back? Thanks. Bye. Oh man, fucking calls, dude. Fucking calls. Right. What are we looking at here, boys? So yeah, NFP, we actually knew last week going into the NFP. If you guys want, I believe, okay, so with the live stream here. Oh no, I didn't post the NFP one, did I? Okay, I only posted like this one sample one, but I don't think that was the NFP one. The NFP was the next day. We actually guessed, we knew where the NFP was gonna go. Because I talk about this on stream a lot. NFP. When was it? NFP was here, right? Friday? Is this Friday? No. Yeah, here. So when we're looking at the NFP, it often reverses the price of the week, the trend of the week. So we actually noticed that there was this inefficiency top the day before, right, on the NFP, right? Day before, inefficiency top there. And then it started rallying up a little bit, right? Rallying up a little bit. Is this the bottom? Yeah, I think this is NFP. So come the NFP, this was actually the NFP right here. So after we topped that inefficiency there, started rallying up a little bit. We're actually looking for a long. We actually guessed that it would hunt these lows here and then rally back up there, because the NFP is often reverses, but we didn't actually get any trades in because I don't trade the news. I think actually no, we took one. Did we take one halfway up? I can't remember. Let me see. I think we took this after it consolidated a bit. We wanted it to consolidate like without coming way back down, because if it came way back down, that would have been a fake out from the news, right? Came way back down here, it would have been very easy for it to just dump. So we wanted it to actually consolidate like halfway down, right around this area, right? And that's where it did. So since it did, we were able to get in on the once it started rallying again. We longed that on the rally, and we got a couple profits there. It's one of his cycles. No, it's fucking. Yeah, I guess it said Victoria on there, didn't it? But that's a city, so on my phone call, fucking. They just keep calling. They call while this is while I'm supposed to be asleep, boys. I sleep during this time, but I slept during the middle of the night last night because there was nothing to trade, so I just went to sleep. So I'm awake now. And I fucking told them, man. Don't call me during the day. I'm asleep. Gold, we don't look at gold. We'll look at gold. Gold is stupid. So what do we think? We thought before it was going to come up here, start rejecting, eh? Rally down there. I mean, this is assuming it breaks down here. It's pretty much right. The daily. Yeah, look at this. Looks pretty good. Sweep on the retest, kind of the untested zone. Sweep, break down. This is the retest of the order block here. Oops. Order block retest should break down here. We were bearish on gold to begin with. Should break down. We're getting lots of hunts of the tops. Retest orders. It looks pretty good to me. Continue down. Which broker am I using nowadays? You go here and you go to FAQ. You can see Blueberry, you'll get 10% bonus if you click this link. Right? Blueberry is good because it has 0 spread on EU for me. That's why I like it, and very low spread on all majors. So, what's the sweep indicator? I think it's called stop hunt. Yeah. We already look at NZD USD, dude. All right. We're gonna wrap up. I think that was a decent stream coming back. I don't have much more to say. It's good to see you guys again. I will wrap it up. Hit the like button if you like it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe. Make sure you check out the live streams there. We will be doing that in the future. Only letting 25 people in. Oops. That was me talking. Sweet, guys. Sweet, sweet, sweet. See a couple people ordered, eh? Oh, this is the... Okay, this is the chart that you wanted me to look at. I'll look at it in a second here. Eternal. Welcome back. Again, guys, streams are going to be sporadic. Whenever I kind of feel like it. It's either going to be London session, or if I sleep during London session, it'll be during this time. We'll see. Thanks for watching, boys. I'll see you guys either tomorrow or next week, depending on if I stream.